Hello and welcome to the Happy Homemaker. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make milk jello. The ingredients needed is water, jello, and milk. Let's get started. Start off by boiling your water, and while that's boiling, add in your jello packet to a bowl. Then add in your water and mix. Once it's mixed together, leave it to cool down a little bit or else it'll curdle when you add in the milk. Once it's cooled off a bit, give it a little stir and then add in your milk and mix again. Once it's mixed, you can either leave it in this bowl or you can divide it into serving dishes. I added mine to this cute little heart dish that I love so much. And then just cover them with Saran wrap and place them in the fridge for about 4 hours. It's so pretty. I just love the color and the flavor is so good. You can also add whipped cream on top when you're serving it. It tastes even better. I love how jiggly it is. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you make it, let me know in the comments what you think about it. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to The Happy Homemaker. Bye!